Injustice Series 4 Arcade. Free card with every play. People requested it, so we are here. Did you use your new Sinnoh card?
Yep.
Collect all 260 cards. Holy moly. Wow. You got an arrow too. Man, I apologize for the screen being so dark. There's literally nothing I can do about this. This is the only Injustice machine I've been able to find. There's no Injustice at Dave & Buster's. We had to travel far and wide to a round one. I think Dave & Buster's is afraid of Injustice.
Yep.
Or else our local Dave & Buster's got mad because I called them out for robbing all the good cars and selling them on eBay. Just got rid of the machine. The Clown Prince of Crime versus the fastest dude alive.
That's not something I think a man should brag about.
He's super fast. He's out of there before you even know what happened.
That was an immediate knockout.
Gotta bring in the heavy hitters and put down Oliver Queen.
Yeah.
Don't think I'm funny?
Let's see what I got.
And the next new card
Here's another Sinstro.
Duh, double Sinistrals. You gotta be a team of Sinistrals. Awesome. And we're back. Almost like we never left. Sinistrals versus Bane. Regine Bane, if you be so specific. I thought it was a new Batman without his cape.
Oh,
Steroid Batman.
first knockout.
You knocked out Deathstroke?
Yep.
Holy moly.
There goes Bane. Alright, I got a second Sinstro.
Bane got hit by a trash can and cooked you? That doesn't make any sense. Or a trash can lid, I should say.
Lightning Dicks. Harley Quinn.
And a Harley Quinn. Oh, we got a little Series 4 on it. See there?
Yep.
Awesome. Same time, Harley Quinn and 2 Sinistrals. Solemn Grande.
Yeah, damage boost.
Shazam! Isn't that Dwayne Johnson's character? Or no, he's Black Adam. Well, I thought he was another character too, earlier. Maybe not.
Ooh, wow.
Man, he almost took out the whole army of Harley Quinn. Holy crap! You need a crazy girl like that. Everyone wants a Harley Quinn till they get a Harley Quinn. Just think you're only one letter off. Victory! And got Nightwing! Awesome! It is game time. Harley's up again against Lobo. Oh man, that cheating Lobo the Hobo attacked me from a bell ring. Oh
He
man.
hits like a freight train. Gone.
Man.
I think they're making a Lobo movie with Jason Momoa as Lobo.
Really?
Yep.
No, he's popular, so.
Oh, I'm done.
Oh, so close.
Got another Harley.
Oh, well, is it the same or different?
Different.
Different Harley. I got 2 Harleys. There you go. But anyways, that is Injustice Arcade Series 4. You're epic. We're epic. Let's all be epic together. I just don't want to use up all my points on one game, so we're going to go play something else. So you have a variety, not just 20 minutes of arcade.
Yep.
Justice. Peace.